So this is the Hanes Tagless A shirts right here. You can see how the black one looks. Here's a little view of it up close. And here's a look at a gray one right here. And another look at this one up close. So I found that it's a consistent fit between all of the shirts within the pack, and I really like how they fit. They're nice and tight, but they're also really soft and comfortable. I like how the crew neck right here looks. I like these thin straps right here. It just has a nice appeal to it, has a really nice look. Obviously, having no tag or anything like that makes it really comfortable to wear as well. It's got a nice hem along the bottom, and I like that it stays nice and fit all the way through the body. So overall, I think there's a really nice A shirts. I've really appreciated them so far. They're nice to work out in, and they fit really nicely just all the way around. I'm 6'1", about 160 pounds, and these are the medium-sized A shirts. So if you're looking at A shirts, I like them. I think you'll like them too, and for that reason, I'll recommend these ones to you.